Hi, today I'm so happy because with me today Dr. Fred Zulli from Switzerland. Are you excited to go with me inside the production?
Yes, thank you very much for this invitation to see your factory.
Right, thank you. So today KL akan bawa you all semua untuk masuk dalam production bersama dengan Dr. Fred untuk melihat production. Apa benefit to you kalau you guna kita punya new range of product. Jom, come. The productions where I did all the product for the HAUS Cosmetics. So basically today we wanted to share with all of you guys two products, which is sunscreen stick and also the moisturizer stick, which we are using the novel writing from Mibelle Biochemistry. And today I want to know what is the benefit of the novel writing if people outside there using these ingredients. Can you share with others, Dr. Fred?
Yes, so this novoretin is an ingredient we have developed and it has multifunctional properties. So the main activity is based on a retinoic acid-like activity. That means it has anti-aging effect and anti-impure skin effect. That means reducing sebum production and clearing impurities. But we also discovered that this product has an instant lifting effect. And our new studies which just came out show also that it has a brightening effect, which all fits to the retinoic acid-like property.
So can also effect for the brightening?
Yes.
Okay, what about if for people who are having acne skins, they can use the
yes, this is very special for impure skin or acne skin. As we can say, it will reduce the pimples and blackheads
and whitehead.
And it will also reduce sebum production, so the skin becomes less oily.
Less oily. So okay, I heard that the Novoretin won award. Yes. So what is the name of the award?
Yeah, we are very excited. So last year in November 2022 there was the big show in Bangkok called Cosmetics.
Alright.
And at this show there's always an innovation award for the most innovative ingredient. And Novoretin won that.
Yeah, congratulations. Ingredient yang kita letak dalam produk stick HAUS ni menang award, so you kena pakai tanpa rasa macam ragu-ragu. It's really good. And I want to share with you, Dr. Fred, that our factory is actually, we have the certifications Halal and also GMP. So because in Malaysia they're really concerned about the halal ingredients. But this one is also halal ingredient, right?
Yes.
The ingredient also halal, and the process of producing this product at the factory is also halal. Dr. Fred, this is the process of we do the packaging of the sunscreen. But then I have a certain questions. How long you did the R&D for the Novoretin and the source, the origins of the origins?
Yeah, it took us quite some while to develop this product Novoretin, probably about 3 years of research to develop the product.
Okay.
And it is based from a source coming from the Greek island Chios.
Alright.
And there they have trees. It's called the mastix tree, and they can cut the bark of the tree. A sap runs out, which then forms a solid resin. And out of this resin, we have then formulated and developed this product Novoretin. So this resin is not soluble in water, it's not soluble in oil, so we have formed a kind of a nano-emulsion so that afterwards it can be easily be formulated into water-based products.
So basically it's the natural sources.
It's a natural source, completely natural.
Novoretin is some sorts like a retinol.
Has a retinol-like activity, yes.
Alright, and then retinol, we cannot use retinol for the pregnant lady.
Yeah.
What about the Novoretin? It can be used for the pregnant ladies?
Yes, it can be used because it's absolutely safe. It's a natural product which has been even eaten for some times on this island.
I see, okay, great. But one of the benefits that I realized from my customer when they are using the Novoretin, they can see their pores shrink. So I think you have a research saying that how long it will shrink the pores?
Yes. We have studies that when you apply the product to the skin, the pores are getting smaller, so they are less visible and also less deep. So that comes with the effect of anti-acne effect.
But Do you have the time? I mean, how long
Yeah,
did
it's about, our studies were run for 4 weeks and we could see the results in 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Or maybe it's even faster.
Yeah, right. Okay, great. One of the functions of novoretin for brightening, right? So Malaysians like everything about the brightening. Okay, so is it novoretin can help improve the freckles issues? Is it?
It's our recent studies, we could show a very nice brightening effect of this product, and it gives a more even skin tone by eliminating the freckles we have in the skin.
But that one, how long they can see the effect?
Yes, that also was achieved already after 4 weeks, which is very fast for the brightening effect.
What is the maximum percentage?
Well,
you
the studies has been done at 2%.
2%. That is a maximum percentage.
Well, that's the percentage we have used in our study to deliver the effect.
So with the 2%, you can see the effect, reduce the pigmentations within 28 days.
4 weeks.
4 weeks. How these ingredients is actually helps to have a glowing skin? Is it possible?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, as I said, it gives a brightening effect. It improves the skin tone evenness, and in our study we show an improvement of the pink color tone, which gives a glowing. So the look of a healthy skin.
Yeah, okay. Dapat tak korang? So instead of glowing, based on Dr. Fred punya study, it shows that you punya skin bila you continuously pakai, you akan jadi a little bit pink macam Korea beauty macam tu. Korang macam Korea kan? In Malaysia, we are in hot environment. So that's why I produce this one is a water-based texture. So can you smell it and you wear it to your skin, and can you give comments? Yes, to the audience. How's about the smell?
It's a very nice fine smell. Yeah, I like it. And
is it oily?
No, it's not oily. No, it's a very pleasant to apply. It's a nice thick formulation. Congratulations.
Right. Thank you. Okay, so Dr. Fred suka because the texture is water based and very easy to glide, and the smell is very good. Because kita tak guna fragrance, kita guna essential oil. It's very good for you all semua yang ada sensitive skin, yang macam tak boleh guna fragrance tu, kita pakai essential oil. Okay, you put inside the box. And this one is for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Join us today.
So I want to thank HAUS Cosmetic for this invitation to the factory. I'm very pleased to be here, and of course I wish them a big success with their new products.